Do you ever feel lost or overwhelmed when it comes to your finances? You are not alone. Setting clear financial goals can transform how you handle money, reduce stress, and help turn your dreams into reality. We will walk you through exactly how to set financial goals using a simple, effective approach called the SMART framework. You will learn to categorize your goals and stay motivated. Let's get started. There are many benefits to setting clear financial goals. First, have defined goals. You know exactly what your money is meant to achieve. Second, motivate yourself with milestones like paying off debt or hitting a savings target. This provides a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Third, make better decisions by using goals. Help you align your spending with what matters most and steer away from unnecessary expenses. And lastly, build an emergency fund or steady retirement savings to help reduce stress and build confidence in your financial future. Financial goals are specific objectives you set for managing your money wisely. Without them, you might overspend or undersave. Clear financial goals give every dollar a purpose and direction. Financial goals guide your money decisions, whether it's saving $1,000 for an emergency fund in 3 months or planning a comfortable retirement by age 65. Now let's talk about the SMART framework for goal setting. Making your objectives specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more," make it SMART by saying, "I will save $5,000 in 1 year for a new car by saving $420 each month." Next, organize your goals by their time frame. Short-term goals you'll achieve within 1 year, like building an emergency fund or paying down high-interest debt. Medium-term goals take about 1 to 5 years. Think saving for a home down payment or paying off student loans. And long-term goals, those over 5 years, include saving for retirement or building wealth through investments. Categorizing your goals may ensure a balanced financial approach covering immediate needs and future dreams. Once you set your SMART goals, it's time to create a plan to help with your financial future. Develop a monthly budget to allocate income towards your goals. For instance, automate contributions to your retirement and emergency savings and create a clear debt repayment strategy. Tracking progress keeps you accountable. Tools like budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can help you visually monitor your advancement, keeping motivation high. Life changes and your financial goals should adapt accordingly. Regularly review and adjust your goals to stay aligned with your changing circumstances. Setting financial goals can come with obstacles, so overcome them. Stay motivated by breaking your goals into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement. For unexpected expenses, prioritize building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. And revisit your goals when facing major life changes like marriage, kids, or job shifts, and be flexible. Remember, setting clear financial goals is the foundation for financial success. Whether your dream is paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or planning for retirement, having SMART financial goals is your key to achieving them. For more expert tips and resources, visit westernsouthern.com today.